Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem the easiest way. Okay, the question is the square root of 2 plus the square root of x is equal to 2, and we are asked to solve for x. Now, I have seen a lot of unnecessarily complicated solutions, and I want to show you how to solve this problem the easiest way. So let's begin with our solution. Now, solving for x, the first thing we are going to do is to isolate x. Let's get x standing alone. For us to do that, we need to subtract root 2 from both sides of the equation, or better still, transpose root 2 to this side of the equation. So here we are going to have the square root of x is now equal to 2 minus, when square root of 2 crosses over, it becomes minus the square root of 2. Now, what's the next thing to do? We are looking for x. So we have to clear the square root. How do we do that? We have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we're going to have here, we're going to have the square root of x all squared. And this is equal to 2 minus the square root of 2 all squared. Okay, I want you to remember that if you have a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, 2 represents our a and root 2 represents our b. So let's solve further. So over here, this square will cancel the root. So we now have x standing alone, and this is equal to, so let's apply what we have here. Let's apply it here. This is equal to the square root, 2 squared minus 2ab will be 2 times 2 times the square root of 2. So times the square root of 2 plus our b square is the square root of 2, then we square it. All right. So now we are going to have x is now equal to 2 squared is 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times root 2 is 4 root 2. And then here, the square will cancel the root. So we have plus 2. Okay, let's simplify further. So here we have plus 4. We have plus 2. So x is now equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. This is our value of x. Now, let's check to see if the value we got for x is correct. So over here, we are checking. So now, we are going to substitute the value for x into the equation to see if we are going to have 2. Now, the question we had was root 2 plus the square root of x, and this is equal to 2. Now, we are going to substitute the value of x into this equation. Now, but remember that what we have here is what gave birth to this answer. So recall that 2 minus the square root of 2 all squared is equal to the answer we have here, which is 6 minus 4 root 2. So now we are going to use this one to substitute into the equation. So now we have root 2 plus, you're going to have a big square root plus the square root of 2 minus root 2 all squared. Now we want to find out if this is equal to 2. Now looking at this square will cancel the root. So this square cancels the root. So we have root 2 plus, here we have 2 minus root 2. Is this equal to 2? Is it equal to 2? Looking at this equation, this is plus root 2, this is minus root 2. So this takes care of this. And we are left with 2 is equal to 2. So our answer for this equation is valid. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in my next video.